Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Google Pay on iPhone. First, if you don't already have the wallet app, download it from the App Store. If it is already installed, just search for it and open the Apple Wallet. Once inside, tap the Get icon to find Wallet apps. You can choose from a variety of apps for Apple Wallet. After installing the apps of your choice, go back to Wallet. To add Google Pay, tap the plus sign. From here, you can add different types of cards like debit, transit, or even apply for an Apple Card. To add Google Pay, select debit or credit card and tap continue. You can either scan your card or enter the details manually by selecting enter card details manually. Input your card number, then tap next. After that, enter your verification code and CVC, then tap next again. Next, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple account, and select Payment and Shipping. Enter your Face ID. Your Google Pay card should now appear there. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!